Hi, I'm Debbie Taussig. I own a personal injury law firm in Colorado. I'm here today to talk to you about my own experience getting injured in a car crash. It's a Friday afternoon in September. I'm driving my car from Boulder to Broomfield on the highway. My 88-year-old mother is in the car with me. I see in front of me all of the cars starting to slow down and stop. So I do the same. I know I've got time. I know I can stop. But I look in my rearview mirror and I see a car coming very fast. I know it's not going to stop. I brace myself and the car crashes into my car and pushes my car into the car in front of me. My car comes to a stop and I know what happened. But I also know that I'm sitting in the middle of a highway where the speed limit is 65 miles an hour. And I'm very scared that another car is going to come down the highway and crash into us. So I try desperately to start my car. It won't start. It's just dead. Then I realize my mom is also next to me. She's 88 years old and she's saying her head hurts. And I look over to help care for her and she's also bleeding out of her arm. So I immediately call 911 and I request an ambulance to come from my mom and a police to come and investigate the crash. After I get off the phone with 911, I just sit there with my mom and we apply Kleenex to her arm where her arm is bleeding and we wait for the paramedics to get there. I also called my husband to have him come and get me. But I know what's going on. My adrenaline is running high. Even if I'm injured, I don't know it. I know how these accidents work. And all I really want to do is just cry because it was so scary and so upsetting, scary for my mom, scary for me, and my car is really messed up too. But I keep my composure and I wait for the police to come and they come and talk to me. I explain to them what happened and they give the woman who was behind me the citation and determine that she caused the crash. After the police investigate the scene and the tow truck comes for my car, I'm able to leave. The first thing that I do is I go to the ER to check on my mom, and I also get checked out myself. We both seem okay, but I know how this works. Your adrenaline is running high, and a lot of times people don't realize they're in pain or hurt until the next day. That's exactly what happened to me. I do wake up the next morning and I'm in pain. And now I have a personal injury claim myself. So if you've been involved in a crash, we know exactly how it works. We know exactly what you're going through. Please give us a call and we can help you as well.